Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Want to build powerful modern web apps with ReactJS in Visual Studio Code? You're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to install and run your first ReactJS app using VS Code. Let's dive in. First, make sure Node.js is installed. Go to nodejs.org and download the LTS version. It comes with NPM included. Next, open Visual Studio Code, then press Ctrl+backtick to open the terminal. Now, choose where you want to create your project and run this command, .npx create React app, my app replace my app with your preferred project name. This will take a few minutes to set everything up. Once it's done, move into your project folder. Add my app, then run .npm. Start. Your React app will launch in the browser, usually at http:// localhost Hector 3000, and you'll see the default React welcome screen. From here, open the src chassis app.js file and start customizing your app. VS Code is perfect for React development. It has autocomplete, IntelliSense, and extensions that make your workflow even smoother. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.